Good afternoon. Well, for me, it's good afternoon. This is like take 400 because of my 4-year-old. It's Aunt Jolie. Just want to show you a diamond painting that I got for my birthday. It's October 19th. And I just want to share one that I bought for myself. Yes, I went and got myself something for my birthday. But I bought this back in August. And I haven't done any of it yet because I'm working on that 80 by 60, but this one has 48 colors. It's a 45 by 60 and it's a full square. This one actually has a lot, well, not a lot, but 3 more colors than my 80 by 60. And this one's not that big. Well, it is big, but not compared to that one. But it says thankful, grateful, blessed. I'm trying to get a nice picture there for you guys. I'm sorry. It has 10,092 310s, 3,631 939s. There's a lot of dark colors in this one. It's almost like a chalkboard effect type of thing going on. I'll show you what the drill field looks like. Yep. Still can't say that right. But it is clear from what I can see. And I'm sorry there's a glare. There's no creases in the canvas. It did come out nice. Don't have any problems with that. I am bumming it today. It is freezing out. Well, not freezing, but from 80 last week to 45 this week. Yeah, it's freezing. I got the big Incredible Hulk bag of 310s. These are my 939s. It has some nice purples. I'm surprised it has any purple. Looking at the picture, I don't see where the purples might be. So it might be for shading purposes. But they do have a lot of different shades of gray. Pardon the pun. Some blues, some browns. A lot of earth tones. A lot of different grays. But I got that one for my birthday. I got it for myself because I live by these words. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. I try to appreciate everything I've got. Because you never know, one day can be all taken away in a blink of an eye. So when you're having a rough day, you think about how much you have, how blessed you are. And you get grateful because there's people out there who don't have as much as we all have. So when I got this one though, this scared me. Because there's a burn, almost like a burn mark in the back. But the rest of it is fine, which is a good thing. So I don't have to worry about anything ruining the canvas. I just wanted to share, it's just a quick little video. Nothing special going on. I'm still trying to rig my tripod. It's not working right. I might have to buy another one or find some other way to do this, because I do want to do a work in progress for the 80 by 60 that I showed you guys that I was doing, and I am still doing. I like to work on my diamond paintings one at a time. But yeah, that's about it. Just want to show some of the colors. It's a nice green. You know, I necessarily don't care too much for inventory. I just like watching people do inventory to see some of the pretty colors that might be in with their diamond paintings. Other than that, you know, it's not a big deal. So that's about it. Like I said, I have a lot of grays and earth tones and, you know, stuff of that nature. But that's it. Thank you for watching. And I hope to do another unboxing soon. Thank you. Bye.